What's up guys, this is your man gidkay once again. In today's video I'm going to show you how I edited this image. I'm going to walk you through each and every layer and what happened over there, and then also share some tips and tricks with you guys. So stay tuned to the end and see how I was able to achieve this image right on our screen. So firstly, let's turn off everything, and then this is how the image came out straight off from camera. Not basically straight from camera because I did some certain color correction, yes, in the camera raw. Yes, so initially the image was tilted. I didn't get my composition very well because it was very sunny and we had to do it quickly. So I corrected that in post, and then I used the content away. I'm using the Photoshop 2020 because it works perfectly for me and with my system specifications. So I don't have the generative fill, I just use the content away, and I've mastered how to use it to fit my style of work. Yes, so I did that in this layer. So before and after, that's basically what I just did, and then went to the next part to just use liquify to bring up a little hips for her. Yes, it wasn't that visible, just a little, yes, to just make it look sexy so her curves can really show. Yes, and then move straight up to retouching, and then with the retouching I use my advanced gidkay retouching pack, yes, which includes the FS 8 bits. Yes, because the image is already in 8 bits, so I use the FS 8 bits. So this is how it looks. I retouch on the empty layer and then did all the necessary stuff. Yes, so I later use a stamp visible layer to just cramp everything into one layer. So then I turn off the main FS group. Yes, then after that, so let me show you how fine the skin has been mixed out. So before and after, before and after, before and after, so you can achieve this same effect using my advanced gidkay retouching pack. You see, it's super packed. It has 20 actions in it that's going to elevate your editing style. All right, so then I moved to my skin tone matching. Yes, because I realized initially I didn't like how the skin tone turned out to be, so I had to match them using my 100 plus rich skin tones, which is over here. Yes, 100 rich skin tone gradient maps. Yes, so once you select the one you want and then you brush it on the skin, that's all. Yes, so let me delete this. So let me turn it on so you can see. So before, let's zoom in, before and after, before and after. So you can see this part was very dark compared to here. So after doing it, you can see a tint of the skin tone in the darker aspects, and that's what I want. So I've matched the skin tones and with the face too. Yes, so I shot this using the Canon EOS 60. Let me see if I can get details from Photoshop. Yes, so this is my camera details. Yes, so I shot this with the Canon EOS 60 with a 50mm lens, 1.8 f-stop. Yes, and that's all. No flash, just natural light, a broad day, sunny day. Yes, and then these are my copyright and stuff. Okay, let's go back to our process, and then I did the global dodgeandburn before and after, before and after. Let me zoom in so you can see it well. Before and after. Go to the face as well. Before and after, before and after. So you can see I didn't really do much with the dodgeandburn because I want it to look very natural. Already the sun is bringing out the highlights on the skin. Yes, so if you do it too much, you're going to destroy the image. So before and after, and I got it from the same advanced gidkay retouching pack. Yes, okay, so then because her eyes is not that visible in here, I didn't do any INT whitening. Yes, so I just skipped up to color grading. Yes, then I have a special Luts for most of my works. Yes, so I just applied it. I'll be leaving this color grading Luts maybe in the future on my digital store. Yes, so I want to test it out on almost all of my works and then see the reviews and see if it's worth to be on my store. Then I'll place it there so you guys can also download it. So before and after the Luts. Yes, and then I later created a curves adjustment layer to create this vignette looking. Let me zoom out and so that you can see before after. Yes, to create more attention on our subject, which is the model. Yes, then later created some hazy white look on the edges as if it's the rays from the sun. Yes, so I placed 1 2 over here, and then lastly placed my logo over here, down here. So this is gidkayphotography logo. If you see this logo anywhere, you should know it's us, the gidkayphotography. Yes, and that's basically all that went through this image. So before and after, before and after. Yes, thanks for staying tuned to the end of this video, and catch me up on another walkthrough tutorial. And if this is your first time, kindly subscribe, like, share to other upcoming photographers. And also don't forget to check out my digital store. I have the link down below. And also we have a WhatsApp group and also a Telegram channel. Kindly join and then be a part of the broad family. We would love to welcome you, yes, as one of our members. This is your man Gidkay. Peace out.